Hi, this is Ruli Balachandar from Prodigy Academy. Our eminent parents have spoken their mind after taking decision to put their children in learning abacus. Please watch till the end as this is an effort to show the amazing benefits of learning abacus from early childhood. Don't miss it.
Good evening, parents.
Good evening, sir.
Myself, Balachandra, representing Prodigy Academy. Today's topic is benefits of learning abacus. Today, you all have not been chosen by us because already you are the one have chosen Prodigy Academy some time back. Actually, today I requested everyone to talk on the topic, on the subject, but I am not. Please excuse me, as I don't want to put my thoughts in you when you speak. As an academician, we have been explaining by showing children's mental arithmetic performance videos, and today we just start. Let's hear from eminent parents like you. It was your parents decided to sow seed in our ground. I remember a legendary sculpture said once, I did not carve the wonderful statue. I just removed the outer unwanted portion so that the wonderful, beautiful statue within the stone came out automatically. So that is what we and you as parents doing together for the future generation. So I welcome Mr. Bharat Raj to start his speech.
Good evening to all. My name is Bharat. I'm the father of Anya. So before we start, I would like to apologize first because we are outside, and one is that we are happy that we are able to take this call. Wonderful Happy New Year, because to start the new year with such a beautiful note is actually wonderful. To especially hear it from Prodigy, just more like a thought process than I'd say session. But some point in some 2 second BC, I think it was understood that abacus was started. And again, now coming to why we choose abacus, is because it stands out from the conventional method of normal schooling. So I feel abacus is one way that children are able to understand what the purpose is. So in that way, yes, it's very very beneficial. And also, if you see the children who practice abacus have have an edge over than other students in
Yes.
not only in school, everywhere I'm saying. Because generally, I've also heard that the right part of the brain gets activated, and when children's right side of the brain gets activated, their ability to work or ability to understand things is much clearer. Time they take to think and understand or grab things are much faster when this right side of the brain is activated. And abacus is the one that makes these things get activated very soon, and children are very smart. Another one of the reason that I wanted to join my daughter, somewhere I feel that we are losing that method of doing everything on our own. Technology, I feel that keeping kids away from technology, abacus is the best way. Children are just like water, they however you want, you can shape them. You put them in a bottle, it becomes a bottle. You put them in a cup, they become a cup. So it's up to us how we shape them. So thinking that, I think abacus does that shaping well, however we wanted them to be. And I think when I joined Anya there also, if I believe she was the youngest for joining abacus.
Yes. Yes, sir.
And you will not believe me, sir, till then, she was not able to sit at home and properly concentrate. She'll keep roaming here and there. And after going to Abacus, after especially your classes, saying, she started concentrating. She started, her thoughts were completely scattered initially. And this gave the reason, the teaching of Abacus here was able to bring her thoughts in coordination to what she wanted to do. In fact, I've had discussions with Madam. She writes 3 in inverted ways. She writes B in inverted ways. And, after this, she's able to write everything properly. And 2-3 days before, I was looking at it when she was calculating. I think 2-3 minutes she was able to complete large calculation where I myself find it difficult at this stage. But she was able to calculate very fast and she was able to do it. Abacus has helped her very well for her growth all this while. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thanks for your participation. Thanks for your time. There is a saying in Tamil, எந்த குழந்தையும் நல்ல குழந்தைதான் மண்ணில் பிறக்கையிலே. Mrs. Bhuvaneshwari, parent of Surya. Madam.
Good evening, everybody. I feel very proud to introduce myself as Surya Narayanan's mother. He is one of the prodigy. So, objectives of Abacus, all of us know, is concentration, speed, and accuracy. So now my son started, concentration power increases. So lack of concentration is lagging, mistakes are missing, and in this academy 5PQ system is following. So for that I am narrating one Tirukural. Prodigy Abacus என்ப ஏனை 5PQ என்ப இவ்விரண்டும் கண்ணன்ப வாழும் prodigy. So thank you.
Thank you, madam. Mr. Nishant Divakaran, father of Bhadra Nishant.
Good evening. This is Nishant. I'm working in TCS, a software professional. Bhadra started in learning Abacus around 5 years ago. So I used to help her in doing her everyday homework. So that time, help in the sense just reading out. So one thing which I noticed, even I cannot do still, even when I am getting an OTP number and I have to type it in the same mobile. So I have to 2 times go back and see. So I will not be able to even remember that 6-digit number. So these people are, even if it is some 5 or 10 numbers when they are doing plus, minus, all they are keeping all those numbers, and that practice they are started getting from the very young age. Abacus is helping his essential skills, which all of the people who are studying this Abacus is getting into their life, and which is very, very useful for their future in this competitive world. Thank you all. Have a happy new year for everyone.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Mr. Nishant. Thanks for your speech. Then next is Dr. Shakti Velayudham, parent of Gomati and Meenakshi.
And, very good evening and good evening parents. I am Dr. Shakti Velayudham. I am basically a neurologist, and I am father of Gomati and Meenakshi. And the very reason for why we wanted to join my daughter in Abacus is a very simple reason that she was very scared of mathematics, and I could see the milder degree of even a sense of a depression that she could not perform well in mathematics. So it was a matter of concern for all of us. So we were searching for some extracurricular activities to reinforce the whatever perceived as a deficit in performing mathematics. So in that process, we came to know about Abacus. My relative, Mr. Kannan, he had already joined his daughter Shagana. So he only told us that the usefulness of the Abacus classes. Only then I came to know about Abacus and started reading about Abacus, and was really impressed about this thing, and I joined my elder daughter. I think the overall the brain speed and function, everything, I can see the improvement. And it also, the memory power also has improved. As a neurologist, I can relate all these things to the right and left brain. Because basically, I'm involved in doing all these things, especially for the patients with dementia. So I can see the what is the left brain is doing with the language function, like calculations or the reasoning power, and the right brain is more related to the visual spatial skills and the imaginations and creativity. So it definitely, I think it helps in forming a better synapses and connections with the same side brain and the connections with the opposite side brain. The final result is definitely be overall improvement in the brain speed. The processing speed will be definitely be improved. That I can definitely make out with my children. Subsequently, because I joined my second daughter also. She also, I think you can see significant improvement in her performance, not only in the calculating abilities, but overall now they feel very confident now and very shrewd now. And definitely it is actually reflecting in almost all the day-to-day functioning. And also while doing the abacus class, I used to wonder, when I am trying to use my best of my skills to compete with them the conventional way, it is really they are far ahead of me while completing all the calculation tasks. And I used to wonder at them, how difficult it is, the difficult nature of the sums. But these people are, with the effortless ease, they are doing all these sums. I used to wonder. And particularly about the structure of the abacus, it is really it's very amazing. It is definitely, it is in a very, it is devised in a very systematic way to improve the functions of the different parts of the brain, and both the right and left brain, I can say. So overall, I think it is a very impressive, and I think our expectations now I feel they are fulfilled, and I can really see the remarkable transformations. And I have to thank you, sir. Thank you very much for
Thank you. Welcome.
helping us. Thank you very much.
We are doing our duty, sir. Thank you. Thanks for your work.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Good.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Good. Next is Dr. Shivakumar is there? Oh, okay. Sir, can you on your video and start, sir, Dr. Shivakumar?
Yes, sir. Very good evening to all the parents who are in this Zoom meeting. Coming to the point, sir. See, like most of the parents of the current age, including me, I was thinking it is just addition, subtraction, and all those magics with numbers. Later, I could see it is not just the addition and subtraction. It is not just the numbers. You had already told me in the first meeting. It is for so many other things which I was like a little bit reluctant to believe till I saw it in front of my eyes. But the concepts what she is learning, she is able to extrapolate and apply it in the other parts of her day-to-day things. Not only day-to-day things, in other subjects as well. Very drastic changes which I could see are concentration and listening, sir. The listening thing which was not there, usually we get complaints from the schools that the children are not listening, seeing here and there, this, that and all. So listening powers or skills, whatever we call, has improved significantly. Children by themselves, they are slowly, we are seeing the improvement in every year or every period of their academic classes, class 1, 2, 3, 4, like that and all that. But putting in abacus, what changes it makes to them is that it activates or accentuates, or it acts like a catalyst to reap the best benefits in that age. So putting my child or anybody's child in the abacus is definitely going to help them, not only in the current year or next year, for the future it will be very useful, because the listening, concentration, memory, thinking and analytical, so many other things which you had told me in the first meeting. I am now, you are giving me a chance to tell all that. I have never told you before this. All those things have improved, and it is improving. So I'll put my son also sooner into abacus. He's into UKG now. I will put him very soon. And the sincerity and efforts you put in are really something. It's not it's more than professional. It's can call one step above professional. I really appreciate you and congratulate you. And I hope and expect the same development to continue with my child and as well as the other children. Thank you for this opportunity, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Shivakumar. Mr. Murthy.
Good evening, sir. And
Good
good
evening,
evening,
boss.
parents. Myself, B. Murthy, working in Indian Air Force as an instructor. I'm a father of Uday and Bhavish. My both children are joined in Prodigy Academy. The primary objective of the Abacus program is to enhance the brain power of the children through image memory and remove the fear of the mathematics by making the arithmetic calculation. Advantage of learning Abacus. Whole brain development program is happening. Greater mental capacity. Younger children easily learn numbers with fun. My both sons of named Uday and Bhavish are studying in 7th and 4th class respectively in Kendra Vidyalaya. Prodigy Academy teaches abacus and mental other arithmetic offline and online through Microsoft Teams application. My words, they are listening skills, memory recall, mental calculating speed of arithmetic work is improved a lot. My words have gained extra interest in all other activities. As a parent, I feel proud of my children. Ranks in abacus has definitely helped improve their capabilities, which I have observed very closely. I very much thankful to you, Balchandran sir, given us this is such an opportunity. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thanks for the wonderful speech. Next, we'll go to Madam Saraswati, Janvi's mother.
Okay, first of all, greetings to everybody. I am Saraswati and I am in the field of clinical research for time being now. So first of all, let me straightly go to the point that why I have made my ward Janvi to join Abacus, although it's so late. Now I regret that I have made her to join in her age of, I think when she joined, she was 30. And I know that you asked why your mother was being so late. She was thinking for so many years. Really, sir, I was thinking that abacus is only to improve the marks in the 10th standard, and that's why I thought that it is nothing to do with, and we need not go for just increasing the marks in the 10th. But when I saw that for the past few years, also Janvi's academic performance is very good. Now she is only in the 4th level. Now I see whatever she is doing, since I'm in a science background, she has brought out the percentage in maths very well. She is getting appreciation. I'm not sitting with her, but she is doing all effort to do by her own. But apart from this, whatever the Prodigy is providing, that 5 PP, really I appreciate this. Because of that, I feel that the basic needs, the discipline, the punctuality, what a human being really needs in their lifetime, this is also provided by Prodigy. This is not covered in any other abacus. Really, I appreciate her because she is responsible, and this gives the punctuality that she has to sit exactly in the time provided by the academy. Even the 15 minutes before, she has to be there with those ID cards, everything, all those things. So I appreciate the basic discipline what she is now learning, which will last her forever and which will make her to shine in her career also. This is the main thing. And I have seen that her memory has improved, her concentration, everything is good. Her academic performance is increasing beyond what I expected. I'm fully satisfied, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Madam Saraswati. Mr. Venkat Prasad.
Thank you, sir. Good evening, sir. Good evening, parents. I'm father of Manogna and Abhigna. There was a feedback from my child's class teacher. The feedback was, whenever we introduce any new concept, especially in mathematics, as a teacher, I need to take some additional effort to inject that concept into our kids' brain. That was the feedback I got from her class teacher. And then after that, I decided to put into abacus, and I have joined my kid in abacus classes. I have observed for 1 year, more than 1 year, she has completed 3 to 4 levels, but I did not see any improvement. And I realized it was not useful. Maybe because I have waited for 1.5 years, I believe I did not see any growth. So at that time I have stopped. Even not only me, myself and my friend, their kids were also going. We stopped, and then we came to know about Prodigy Academy. And after a couple of months, actually, I have met Balachandar sir in Prodigy Academy. I have put my elder child into that academy. And then after a couple of months, even my younger daughter also started attending to the classes at the age of 5. I mean, she was into UKG. So what I understood, like, abacus is a brain development program. The thinking, concentration, visualization, really, I have witnessed with my kids after joining into the academy. Generally, in fact, one cannot realize the power of abacus maybe 1 day and 2 days. So we need constant practice on daily basis. So all these really possible, like 10 to 15 minutes of practice on day to day. And what benefits, apart from this, generally if I say what benefits I have seen with my kids, they complete the exams even, especially my younger child, she completes the exam even 20% of the time in mathematics and all. She is very good in speed. And they have become very active participants. The response is really good. And apart from that, one thing what I have observed is the discipline. The discipline not only at abacus program, even the discipline at academic studies. Here, discipline in the sense, the regular practice, the daily practice injected to their studies as well. So they do not fear for exams. Actually, even I was thinking, like, when there is an exam, maybe they need to prepare. They no need to attend abacus class, or they no need to attend some curriculum activities. So this myth has completely changed. Even I have observed my child, they will not worry about the exam. That they treat it as just another normal day. Thank you so much, sir. This happened because of you. And even last year and all, really, I surprised. Sometimes I have observed, like, when the final semester exams, when I questioned my younger daughter, like, are you really covered all the topics, all the portion? Have you completed? Because she was spending less time. Yes, she was saying confidently, and she was challenging me. Yes, if you want, you can test. She will give me the book. If you want, you can test. Because this, what I believe, like, this has become habit for them. Study, I mean, 10 to 15 minutes of practice abacus, maybe that is really help my child to change their habit. I mean, they applied to their academics as well. That I have seen, and that I have seen that results actually. And apart from that, really, normally I got very good recognition with my daughters actually. How it is possible? Because of their activeness, their active participation. In our kids' school, it is big school. There are a lot of sections. If I go to pick up my daughter, and most of them, they say, like, oh, Abhigna's father, Manogna's father. That is really proud moment. That really I got recognition with my kids actually. Thank you, sir. He has taken care. Younger child, she is into 7th level, and elder daughter is 9th level. And really, we are extremely happy with the progress of our kids' academic career as well as abacus. And thank you so much, sir. Thanks for this platform.
Thank you all parents. So I just want to reinstate only one small point, which is like the difference in learning process is on the visualization. Kids are like visualizing the numbers. Numbers are no more numbers. They are just visualizing. It's a different way of process. So this is one point I have seen in abacus.
We thank each and every parent for your time and effort and your participation today and your speech, everything